Well, dear students, the next point is elastic bandages. The elastic bandages are good for wrapping sprained. Sprained means to cause injury to a joint. Like when you get an injury in your joint, that is called sprained joints, or making a sling. Sling, like what does this word sling means? Sling means a piece of cloth for supporting or lifting in the case of a broken arm. So you must have seen if somebody or has, God forbid, a broken arm, and the doctor recommends them to have a sling. So they mostly have a sling around their neck, and then they support their broken arm on it. So the elastic bandages can be used for two purposes, as they have told you, like how we are going to use such elastic bandages. They are going to be used for two purposes. Number one, for sprained joints, and for a broken arm. Like if you have a sprained joint, you can use them. And how you are going to use them? Like you are going to apply elastic bandages to that part which is sprained, which has caused an injury in your joint. And the next purpose is you can use plastic bandage for a broken arm, and in this case you can make a sling, which means a kind of a hanging bandage you are going to put around the neck, in which a wounded arm or broken arm or hand is even supported in that sling. Okay, so this is a purpose of elastic bandages, and this is mostly used if you have a broken arm or if your joints are sprained.